Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are looking at the ultimate Anker Solix F3800 kit. This has got two F3800s in it. This can output at 12,000 watts and it gives you 7.68 kilowatt hours of backup. It includes the smart home power kit, which is going to get you set right up, plug and play capability. Each of these puts out 6,000 watts. These are equipped with NEMA 1450 and L1430 outlets, so you can directly charge your EV and RV. Very versatile systems. You can monitor your energy use intelligently via the app, connect with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So technically, you could control this from anywhere in the world. And these have long-lasting LFP batteries in them. 5-year has a free warranty. They're definitely very confident in the design. They're industry leading and they put high quality components, ensuring 10 years of product life. So this setup comes with the two Solix F3800s, and the price dropped big time because they did release the F3800 Plus, which will be available in just a couple days. So the price on the Solix F3800 dropped a bit, so take advantage of that while it lasts. And this comes with the smart home panel kit too. That's a really great deal. Down here, you can add on solar panels or anything like that into the system. 3 400-watt solar panels, pretty nice, especially because these are foldable. You can pack a lot of these in your vehicle, throw these in the back, have everything you need for off-grid power anywhere. There's also a bunch of other really good deals going on for the F3800 because of the new drop of the F3800 Plus. So take a look through these two. You might see something you like. This in particular is a really nice setup. You get the F3800 plus a 400-watt solar panel for just a little over $3,000. That's over $1,500 off. And if you're not worried about getting the smart home kit, you can get the double Anker Solix F3800 kit with the power hub, connecting these two together for double the output, and you get the transfer switch. So that's going to help you get set up if you want a little more simple setup, and you can save a little bit more money. Anker Solix F3800, the most accessible whole home backup power, minimum effort and maximum power. So definitely take advantage while that lasts. Feel free to use the links in the comments or description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free if you want to stay updated on the newest tech and when they drop these deals. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here.